Hi, I just entered Hobby Lobby and they have a huge sale going on. Look at that, 40% off the Valentine's stuff. I had to come to the city for a doctor's appointment. So Ray said, would you like to go to Hobby Lobby? I said, sure. Look at this. They have all kinds of awesome stuff. And look at this whole aisle of Valentine's. Oh my word. I could do a haul in here. Look at that. We're going down to the paper goods department. Oh, even look up here. How many of you have a Hobby Lobby? And if so, do you like it? I actually wanted to stop for some paper to do some pocket letters. Look at this. Oh, yes. Look at that. Loads of love. How sweet is that? Oh, these remind me of the old-fashioned Valentines right here. Remember those? Those were the good old days. How many remember the kissing booth? Did you have one at your school? We had one at ours. Do you want to know if I was in it? Guess what? That's my secret. You're going to have to figure that one out on your own. Oh, that's pretty. Look at this. Wow. Oh, we're at the paper and section. I looked at these chairs here. They had some on, yeah, these ones are on sale too, to put behind my desk, but I'm not sure. But I just wanted to show you a little of what's going on here at Hobby Lobby. And there's Mr. R down there. He's waving. They got, look at that. Look at all the Easter stuff they have. Oh Lord, look at the stickers. Oh, I like this. My very first Easter. Nice. Very nice. How often do you see big biblical stuff in stores? You may find them at Dollar Tree, but that's it. And look, we're still into another section of Valentine's and everything.
Attention associates, Jacqueline to register, please.
I just can't believe it. I don't get here often. Thank God, because my wallet would be empty. Look at the stickers here. Oh, I'm loving it. But I'm gonna try to save because I've got surgery coming up. And that's gonna cost some bucks, so. Look at this. I have some of these. I don't have the pink and the blue though. I'm going right from Easter to Valentine's to St. Patty's Day. Oh Lord. Oh, this would be, wouldn't this be cute? You could hang it on a mantle. One piece. You could have a couple of them. That would be cute. We got some shakers here. If you had a high school team, we got some rah-rahs. Oh, this is nice. This is real nice. Whoa, look at this. Okay, all you crafters out there, are you drooling? Because I am. And look at this. Whatever you want. Look at the coins. So you get the pot of gold. Somewhere over the rainbow. Thank God I can't sing. You better shut up, huh? Look at this.
I thought it was going pretty good.
Oh, oh.
You're singing?
I am singing for my YouTube channel.
There you go.
Oh, and there's some twine right there. That's pretty. So anybody that doesn't know of Hobby Lobby, this is it right here. Very nice. Look at that. So I'll shut you off until I get to the paper goods, and I'll bring you back on. Hey, Bandana Grandma, look. Just what you collect. Red polka dots. These are a little bit bigger than a salad plate, but these here are regular size salad plates. This here is at Hobby Lobby, just in case nobody knows. And look, being Dan and Grandma, there's a Susie, look, there's a spatula. How nice is that? We got some clearance here. Oh, we got a nice cup with a good size handle on it. Just a little bit more of what they got. Oh gosh, I could spend so much time and money in here. It's not even funny. I don't know where Mr. R went. I think he went heading down towards the paper section, which I think is down this way. Would I find the papers down that way?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. We're headed now down towards the paper section. Red seems to be really in. Oh, look at that nice spring color line. Looks really good. Hi, Mr. R. We were just talking about you.
I found the paper way down.
You did? Okay. Look, it says, "You grow, girl." Some nice cup, big old cups up there for growing. Got some boots down there. Those boots were made for walking. Does anybody remember that song? We got some nice pillows. Ray's giving me the dickens because I can't sing. And I know I can't sing. But that's okay. You know what though? I'm happy. And what do they say? When you're happy and you know, clap your hands. You gonna clap your hands, Ray?
No, you can go on for hours here.
I know. Ray said you can go on for hours here. Okay, we'll catch up with you down at the paper.
Attention associates, Gina
Okay,
Station
we
12,
hit
Gina
the
Station
paper
12,
goods
please.
section right now. And look at all this. Look at the washi tape, the decorated tape. I've never seen so many beautiful colors. Look at that. We've got beautiful stamp stuff here. This is awesome, isn't it? And look over here. We got all kinds of metallic stuff. Oh, and we got the iron on.
Just tell her to take it out and try it. Yep.
This is for the circuit cutter, I think, or the vinyl. That's nice. That's really nice. Tammy, you'd like that. I got somebody coming, I gotta move here. Just try not to get anybody in. Got some nice containers. Oh my, look at this. Ray just picked up a peace stamp that he thought I would like. I don't know where it is now.
I'm ready.
You're right here, you wanna show him, Ray?
I'm coming. I'm ready. I can hear you. Right here.
Go ahead and pick it up. We're gonna get this. What do you think, Ray? Does that fit me?
Yes.
Yes, that fits
Yes.
me. So we're getting that. And so far we just got,
I know which way you want.
I can't, look at the bling bling. Oh, lordy gordy. Look at the stuff. So far we just have some wafers and I got a couple of different earrings here. That's it. Look at this stuff. Oh, gosh, Ray, isn't this awesome? Ray said there's a lot of stuff in here. He forgot how nice it is. Here's all this stuff, embossing, and I used to do stamping stuff a long time ago. I have a lot of stamps. Look at this. So anybody that doesn't have a Hobby Lobby in your area, what do you think? They got it all. Okay, well, I'm wasting time, but this is so much fun. Look at this, 50% off. Wow. Kelly, you're gonna love this. Look at that. Got twine over here, all sorts of stuff. This is really nice. Look at the different washi tapes. This different ribbons. Very nice. Then you got the little gift bags and everything on this side. Now I think I'm almost down. Got lettering. Look at that. Oh, look at the eyelashes. I like that. Look at this. Wow. Ray, where are ya? Oh my goodness, look at this. I can't even begin to show you. I mean, there's just so much. Makes you dizzy, and I'm trying to go slow. What'd you find, Ray? Can you push this for me? It's very hard. Thank you. What'd you find, Ray? Oh, for my aunt sister?
But the color sticks might throw her for a loop. The color sticks.
Yeah, they would throw her for a loop.
She wouldn't understand.
No, she wouldn't.
Good price. Very good.
Yes, that is a good price. Look at the. How many's with me? Wouldn't you like to have a big fat wallet right now? Wow. I know I would. Look at this. I came for some Valentine's paper. Hopefully I can find it. Inspirational Fraser sticker pack. Oh, I like that. Kelly, you'd like that one as well. Oh, I do. I really like that. This is very, very nice. Ray, what'd you find? A sweatshirt. He's looking. Okay, this is the paper aisle, everybody. They got every color paper imaginable. So I'm going to shut this off so I can concentrate and figure out what I want. They got it all. Okay, folks, we are back from Hobby Lobby, and we stopped real quick at the Dollar Tree. And we stopped at Dollar General. Ray spent $2. He got a lint brush and chocolate. Then he went to Dollar General and he got a couple of cans of chicken noodle soup. Look at that decorative washi tape. Kelly, thought of you. And then he picked up some hearts for me. So there's 1, 2, 3, and I'm not sure how much he spent on the soup. And then I spent $20 at Hobby Lobby. I got this beautiful paper. This is all big paper. I love this. I like it all. Look at that, yummy cupcakes. Love, Irish, and hearts. And look, I even got Easter. I got some more washi tape, Kelly. Look at this. It was $10 marked down to $2.49. I got some wafers, and I also got this that was marked down, scheduling, all for my journaling. And I got this for $1.24, Kelly. And everybody knows I collect peace signs. I love anything peace. I'm back from the day. Got some earrings for 99 cents. I loved them. Look at these owls, 99 cents. And that was my haul. We had a fun day except for the doctor's appointment, but I'm all got my date for my surgery for the middle of March. So I'll end this now because my battery's low. Please give me that thumbs up and ring that bell, ring-a-ding-ding, and share my videos. And you can find me on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. You never know what's going to be on my videos. God bless. We'll see you tomorrow.